next game natin ngayon, yung kulay gray. Ayan, kulay gray si Gardose. Ayan ang malupit sa lahat. Ayan. Yung game natin mga idol, pink. Ito naman pink versus gray. Ayan, pink ang second game natin. Idol, back to the ball game na. Ito na yung second game ng SBC. Color pink at saka color gray ang maglalaro. At nandito ang rep natin magigiting. Rep, good morning.
Morning.
Ayan, sa rep labay si shoutout rep.
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay. So, ayun mga idol, no? Start na po tayo.
Kapitan, kulay pink position. Good. 15 to shoot. Number 88, too strong. Sayang yung bola. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung aming partner. Para walang masasabi na lang yan siya. Totong kayo sa akin. Technical na yun, 10. Ang hirap. Number 18, Espinosa. Paano mo si Luisito Espinosa? Gardose
3! Yan, naka 3 point pa si Gardose.
15 to shoot. Bumaco. Chuto. Nakakaw ni Gardose. 2-2. Strong. Bumaco. Natira. Number 12, kandang galaw! Pasok! Nilang pa ni Polvo. Gardose number 85. Polvo, spinning move. Whistle for a foul. First round. The shot. Papasok yan. Ulay Abuhin. Anthony Gonzalez.
Minutes and 41 seconds na lalabi sa first quarter.
43, shot blood. Going to shoot. Mandatory 5, be ready ha. Mandatory 5, be ready tayo. Babasok na lang kami. Number 88.
So second 5 na mga idol, ano? Sa first quarter.
Number 14. Bulacan, Tucabile, Espinosa. 15 to shoot. Whistle for.
So unang tira ni idol. Pasok.
Espinosa, correction, Ginian, natakpan, 23, Bulacan. Good! May maniniwala pa sa'yo? Laki-laki na pagawin mo, tutumba ka? Lap. Number 10. Bumaco.
Minutes and 35 seconds sa first quarter mga idol. 14-11 ang score.
Abal number 10. Bumaco. 10 to shoot. Espinosa. Clarado yan siya. First personal foul. First foul.
12-14. 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
Espinosa with the leader, number 10, advantage pass. Natakitan, 10 to shoot. Robles. Balik sa kalamangan ng mga abuhin. Gagtong galaw yan. Number 10, Abal. Paborito niya. Goal.
Idol.
Una, bola. Dribble muna tayo mga kuya. Dribble muna. Huwag natin kalimutan yung dribbling bago tayo maglakad o tumakbo. Galaga. Naman.
And 1 minute na po natitira no, sa first quarter, Idol. 18-16, dalawa lang po lamang.
Bumawag ang three. Kalitang pasahan. Espinosa shooting for 2. First try. Dahil to it. Within 15 seconds, kailangan magtawid sa front court yan. Nahagaw. Galaga, binisitan, sablay, tapigan, shout out, kay Bungtulaw. Agaw naman, Robles. Bongo. Tubo. Agaw naman. Nagpo-team Robles. Tubo.
Tapos na po ang first game natin, mga idol. No? Score 24-16.
Ng 24.
Back to the ball game, idol. Second quarter na. Pink versus Gray.
Pink tayo. Defense up pink. Baba pink. Balik goal number 11. Whistle for a foul. First pick half. Last shot. Number 14, Robles, Soblay. Tasak-tak sa loob yan. Too strong naman, sir. Good service number 8. Bounce pass. Panganiban. Bumo naman siya pinakatan. Big to shoot. Whistle for a 14 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Bumakod. Alat-alat. Ang ating kalay din ng Diyos sa court. Robles number 14. Small back carry ball. Tama ba naman doon? Taplan pa rin. Ano ba naman? Espinosa. 2 goals. Babawian. Dayton. Pangalan ba na mag-round? 2 points. Bay, kapoy. Supay pa yan. Counter steal. Bolbo, Galatia, Sablay. Galing ng guy. Artist na kayang talaga to. Ano naman? Bugo, isa pa. 2 points.
6 minutes and 30 seconds, no?
4 shots. 2 points. Nag-goal, kaya basket. Reason for a foul. Ang player ang inali natin dyan.
Kaya naman. Natulog.
Okay.
Natulog ka dyan.
Okay. Mga player sa paalala lang. Sa mga ating manlalaro. Seguridad ng player, kalusugan. Pampan mo lang sarili ng Mr. Dendo. Kaya hindi yan. Physically fit yan eh. Mr. Dendo, kuha yan. Galabia number 7. 2 points. Lari talaga sa lubong ko yan.
Ah, 5 minutes and 16 seconds sa second quarter natitira mga idol, no? 23-33.
Mandatory 5. Be ready. Be ready yan. Yung second 5 natin. Tungo number 17. Babak yan. Good yan. Ikaw ang babangga dyan. Pinasalo ka lang ng bilensa mo. Good size na direct. Yeah, tuloy. Wala kang dead ball. Kaya wala kang ngayong mandatory 5. Pag na-shoot. Yan, basin. Daming tao ah. 2 points. Number. With 18. Black. Again, number 18. That's number 10. Take it for 3. Off the glass. One out. Take it rebound. It's here by number 15. That's to number 25. Floater. One out. Rebound again. Yes, 2 points.
And 0.05 seconds natitira sa second half. 38-27.
That's number 88. Jumper. Yes. Number 7. That's the number 12. Number 1. Take it for 3. Bang! Number. Take it for 3. Bang! Number 10. 3.
2 minutes na lang natitira sa second half mga idol.
Number 7 nakatanga ng bola. Pass to number 8. Take it for 3. Wala. Rebound. Pass to number 18. Number 18. To number 10. Floater. Yes. Number 7. Wala. Pass it rebound. Number 7 again. Floater. Yes. To number 18. Espinosa. Pass number 18. To number 10. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 15. To number 8. Gonzalez. To number 7. Black. Number 29. Bola. Floater. Air ball. Take it for 3. Wala. Rebound. To number 29. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Derecho. Good. Tangan ng bola. Wala. Rebound naman again. Wala pa rin. To number 20. Number 20 naman tangan ng bola. Pass to number 10. Foul. Color green. First throw. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Katingan ng bola. Take it for 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 25. Pass that way to number 7. Wala ka. Diretso. Number 8. Yes! Inabot ko na.
So, score po natin ay 38-43, no? Tapos na po ang second half natin mga idol.
Number 10. Number tangan ng bola.
So, third quarter na mga idol, no?
Pass to number 3. Number 3. Floater. Wala. Rebound number 18. Pass number 18. Floater. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Ano number 10? Take for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ng bola. Nakuha yung number 15 to number 7. Pass to number 14. Reyes. Robles. Nakatanga ng bola. Basket. Diretso. Side hook. Wala. Rebound. Number 12 again. It's still by. Number 12 again. It's a foul. First throw. Wala. Wala pa rin. Naliho pa rin yung 25. Pinaka sa kalaban. By number 17. Number 17. Quarter, yes, that's good. 5, it's still by number 18. Number 18, going to the goal, 10. Here's a foul again. Through number 10. Abay, wala. But number 10. Basket, that's good. One rebound. Gawas ang bola. That's number 3. Quarter, wala. Rebound. That's number 10. To number 2. Again, to number 18. Here's the back. Nakuha yung number 7. Ang may tangan ng bola. Dire-diretso. Wala. Rebound. Pass to number 3. Number 3, number 18. Off the glass. Here's the foul. First throw to number 18. Second throw. Rebound. 15. Number 15. Off the glass. Wala. Malakas. Number 7. Agawa ng bola. Nakuha number 25. 25. Ang layo. Wala. Rebound. Foul again. That's for number 14, Robles. To Galavia. Galavia. Umangat. Wala. Rebound. Number 3. That's number 18. Number 17. Number 17. Shot shot. Wala. Rebound. Number 17 again. Number 18. On the glass.
Nagbigay po siya ng cash doon sa SBC.
Now green. Number 7. Ang tangan ng bola.
Magkaka-remind pa yan.
That's number 25. Taking for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha rin ang going to go. Yes. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Nakalabaw. Number 7. Pass to number 15.
Idol, nag-time out ang Gray. Ang oras ay 5 minutes na sa third quarter. 45-46 ang score, mga
So
idol.
yun na, champion and organizers of SBC. Welcome kayo lahat dito sa ating liga. That's all. Thank you! Back to the ball game. Number 17 na may tangan ng bola. Taking for 3. Wala! Rebound! Nakuha yung number 10. Fulford. That's good. Number 8. Still off the glass. That's to number 18. To number 3. To number 17. Jab shot. Wala. Rebound number 25. Faster play to number 12. Nakaliba. Diretso. Wala. To number 18. Jab shot. Basket.
Minsan na natitira sa third quarter, mga idol.
To number 8. Rebound. Wala. Nakuha number 10. Number 10 ang may tangan ng bola. Pass to number 3. Off the glass. It's good.
Bye!
Kalma lang kayo. Number 8, number 3, kalma lang kayo.
Kamay ko yung mukha mo.
Ay, walang ganun. Pass to number 17.
Hap, bigyan mo natin isang libo ka. Para mawala yung isang ulo. Bigyan mo 500.
Foul number 25. To number 39. To number 2. To 17. Hoy! And one lang. Lumir pa. Ang galing ni number 17. May tangan ng bola. Pero isa. Wala. Rebound. Number 14 ang may tangan ng bola. Number 14. Fade away. Wala. Rebound to number 15. Ilalim. It's a back. Nakuha number 15. It's a pass play from number 17. Going to goal. Wala. Passive rebound. Number 17. Fade away. Wala. Rebound. Number 10. It's down. Play to number 7. Number 7 ang may tangan ng bola. Turn around. Kapit ang bola. Nakuha number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Diretso. Left hand. It's a foul again. First throw, basket. Second throw. Wala. Abigyan ang bola. To number 12. Nakuha rin number 15. Number 15 na may tangan ng bola. Down to number 25. That's to number 12. To number 15. Fade away. Wala. Rebound. Number 18. Number 18. Ang may tangan ng bola. Diretso. Isa down again. Number 18. Wala. Basket, this good.
1
The score,
minute, 40 seconds.
58-47, and favor of pink. Number 25 may taka ng bola. Remaining time, 1 minute and 8 seconds in third quarter. Number 7, turn around, this was a ball. Nakuha ni number 10. Wala pa rin, rebound. 2 and 3 situations. Time set move to number 17. Off the glass, it's good.
23 seconds na lang nalalabi mga idol.
Number 12, third personal foul. Second throw. That's it, that's good. It's
15 seconds, oh.
number 25. That's to number 3. Number 3. To number 7. To number 15. Okay, pass. 5, number 15. Remaining time.
So tapos na po ang third quarter mga idol. 62-49 ang score. Lamang pa rin ng pink. Back to the ball game mga idol, fourth quarter na.
Sample na tayo, random na.
Yan, pwede na
Random na
ako
tayo. Any players, both team, create pink. Start of fourth quarter. Number 12. That's number 15. Number 15. Poulter, wala. Rebound number 8. Off the glass. Basket, that's good. That's to number 8. Tap, wala. Rebound. Pass per play to number 7. Dynamic ang board. 5. Number 7. It's 3 and 1 situations. Wala. Rebound in number 17. Number 17. Number 17. Jump shot. Wala. To number 3. Off that glass. By number 25 for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha number 8. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13. Inagawan. Bulacan. Diretso. To number 28. That's number 3. Pumakot. Kanya pa rin. Basket is good. Lamang pa rin. Number 3, Kumakot. To number 17. Shot clock, 10 to shoot. Number 17. To number 3. Shot. Wala. Rebound. To number 15. Pass to number 7. Natulas. Off the glass. Wala. Paula. Wala pa rin. To number 15. To number 15. Number 10 ang bola. It's a 2 and 3. To number 8. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha number 17. Shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Nagawan. Number 10. Wala. Again. No foul. First throw number 10. Abad. Number 10. Second throw. It's a 2 and 2 basket. Number 8, shooting for 3. Wala. Rebound number 14. Fade away. Wala. Rebound number 18. Situation. That's number 17. Off the glass. Wala. Rebound number 25. Gattuso. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Side step move to number 15.
So nag-time out ang pink mga idol. So mukhang malungkot ang mga gray ngayon ah. Enjoy lang mga idol.
Number 10 to number 29.
5
Number
minutes
2, Sandy shoot,
ang natitira ng mga idol.
Number 3, straight away. Wala, rebound. Ang may tanga ng bola. Fade away. Wala. Rebound. Number 8. Off the glass again by number 8. Aman. Diretso to number 29. Fade away. Wala. Rebound ni number 10. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Nakuha yung number 29. With number 7. Number 7 na may tanga ng bola. Umangat. Wala. Nakuha pa rin number 7. Number 7. Wala pa rin. Espinosa. Side step hook. Off the glass. Wala. Malakas. To number 25.
Game. Ayan ang natitirang oras natin, 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Lamang pa rin yung 70 sa 59 mga idol.
Hello. Hello.
So lamang po yung pink.
Inbound by
Inbound po
number
ng
8.
gray ang
That's to
bola.
number 25. To number 8. Number 8 again. Is still by number 17. Number 17. Floater. Bola. Alayo for 3. Rebound number 25 again. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Agawa ng bola. Tapigan. 7. Grabia. Off the glass. Ang may tanga ng bola. 2.
Saan pa dungo?
10 to shoot, shot clock. Last quarter. Number 14 to number 15.
3 minutes lang po
Number
natitira mga idol.
15. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Number 15 again. Wala pa rin. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakuha yung number 17. Duo. It's a 3-on-2 situation. Number 17. That's number 3. Number 17 to 29. It's a 9-second shot clock. Number 2, take it for 3, wala. Rebound number 2 again. Number 17. Floater, wala. Rebound number 15. May tanga ng bola. Diretso, wala. Kapi ka ng bola. Number 15. To number 12. Wala. Rebound number 2. Pass to number 3. To number 2.
Maglalas 2 minutes na mga idol.
5 to shoot, shot clock. Number 17 for 3. Wala. Rebound, number 14. 14. Oh, ikaw na ba? Last 2 minutes.
No, wala.
It's brought to you by Douglas. At Taglay Pamitan, get your going with Laksan FR. Aray ko, galing ko.
No.
Tanga ng bola. Floater. Basket, that's good. By number 17. 17. It's a 3-and-1 situation. Number 15. Diretso. Basket ng bola. That's to number 17. Duo. To number 18. Off the glass. Number 8. 4-3. It's a... Duo may tanga ng bola. Yan ang kanilang miyagi ng kulay pink. Number 17.
So ayun na yun.
The battle.
So
Follow pink
tinapos
and
na
gray.
yung
The winner
score
is
nila.
color gray. Both team, kamayan kayo. Kamayan, both team, both team.
76,
So, tapos na
65.
ang ating pangalawang laro. Ready na ba ang pangatlo? Green
Ayan, mga idol.
versus yellow. Bakbakan na!
Tapos na ang laro mga idol. Congratulations na Billy Espinosa, number 18 ng Pink, best player of the game. Idol, ano bang masasabi mo?
Sa tropa, papawis lang. Wala nang magaling.
Ayun, thank you, Eric.
Papawis.
Ayun, congrats. Thank you.